Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Subhra's Aesthetic Corner. I'm Subhra. This is the second video in my channel, and in this video I will show you on a very easy way to set up a floor sitting at a very low budget. So without any delay, let's get into the video. This is the space where I'll set up the floor sitting arrangement. First of all, I'm placing here a rug in black and white color which I recently purchased from Amazon. Then I'm keeping here some cushions which instantly added aesthetics to the entire sitting space. This is how the sitting space looks now. Now I'm adding a ZZ plant and a peperomia plant to add a tinge of green to the entire sitting space. I'm also adding a study table with some books on it. I'm also adding a coaster along with a coffee mug. On the other side of the sitting space, I'm placing a medium-sized erica palm plant. This is a very beautiful painting made by my sister from a picture inspired from Google. I'll be using this painting for the empty wall behind the sitting area. To fix this painting in the wall, I'm using this Faber-Castell Decade adhesive. It is a gum-like adhesive which can be easily put around the frame before installing it. This particular adhesive is super strong and can be reused. Finally, I am adding a string light to make the space look more bright and cozy. Now it's time for the final reveal. Isn't it a very easy way to set up a floor sitting arrangement? I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.